Workshop Wednesday. What's up, everybody? We're doing good. It's 111 degrees out in Texas today. We got the porch turned on. It's a wonderful opportunity to sweat. Working on a fireplace tool set with my friend Pablo Lozano. These are little tools that we got going on. I have a Paul Bunyan shovel. Got to fix that. That's a little large. Like, you know, it's bigger in Argentina, right? So we want to be. Anyhow, y'all hang on, watch this. We're going to put a little twist. I just got done with this twist and this one. Hopefully, I do it with success on this one. Let me get my wrench. Ready, Eli?
Ready, dude.
It's good to have Eli back, everybody. Really good. Video's going great today. Gotta put it in the center. Come on. Make it bigger. Not too big. Oh, don't strip it. We did. Made Eli nervous. We had a accident a while ago. Look at there. That's kind of a cheating way to go about it, but that's how we go about it. And I'll put it back in there, and I'll do the other side here in just a second. After I get done telling y'all all about it. Patreon's good. That's why we're doing a video. We're going to do videos of this stuff. We've been doing videos, doing the fireplace poker set, forging in square corners, and all kinds of cool stuff. We've been doing that. Spur Workshop full. Got it. No more spots left. Appreciate everybody for signing up that did, and for those that want to, hold and wait. We'll do another one again sometime later on. Podcast doing really good. Casey, we had over 5,000 downloads now. So no, we're not Joe Rogan, but we're having fun and sharing the info. Had some good guests on. Larry Lorraine this week, so that's way cool. What else we got? What else is there, Eli? Air conditioner. Eli's bidding on an air conditioner for this part of the shop, but it ain't going to work with that and that daggum sun going on out there. Ooh, it's hot. We had a little tornado action, y'all. Me and Eli stuck in the shop watching a little tornado action a couple days ago, Monday. This kind of hits. Y'all go to Eli's page. What's the name of your page, Eli?
McDonald Custom Bit and Spur.
McDonald Custom Bit and Spurs. He had a story. Me and him we looked like we were from Oklahoma, sitting on the front porch watching the tornado go by. It was good though. So I hope y'all having a good one. Let the sun shine, and we'll see you next week. Adios.